could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello again. Could be a dream.
Hi everyone, my name is Jessica Rosado, founder of Simply Her, and today I wanted to talk about our June products. So every month I get asked a lot of questions as far as what are the products and how do I use them. So we normally send out our newsletters every month so that you know what you're getting for each package in each month. We send out beauty tips, health tips, and we talk all about the products for that current month. So I also thought the videos showing you how to use everything would be also extremely helpful. So let's get started. First up, we've got our ByNature from New Zealand apple stem cell face mask. Oh yeah, you know it's gonna be good when you've got all this slime going on.
Wow.
Now, a big part of Simply Her is obviously it's a period care package. So you're gonna get a lot of facial stuff to control those hormonal breakouts. I'm really big on that. So, like so, you can find it. Oh, that feels so good. Yeah. Huh. Have you ever seen that movie, Man in the Iron Mask? That's what I look like right now. Leonardo DiCaprio. Okay, wait. You just smear that in, get it all up there. So it's pressed down under the eyes. Oh, it's all the good stuff. So now you're gonna leave this on for 10 minutes. So just let it sit in. It might get a little tingly. That means it's working. It's a refresher mask, so it's meant to just tighten, cleanse. All good. So we can listen to some music. Oh, what song I'm really jamming to right now?
We got the kingdom, so they have to make way. We take it from the bottom to the top, baby. And now the whole community can live greatly. I remember those days when we was dead broken. I could barely find $1 for a token. Hop in the train just to get where I'm going. Popo's after me, I'm running like I'm smoking. Remember those days when I went to bed hungry. All I ever ate was white rice and honey. Big dreams in my head, empty my tummy. Might crack a smile, but ain't nothing funny.
So you either by now have been relaxing or like me took that moment to do a whole bunch of other stuff. So our 10 minutes have passed.
Okay, everyone, let's pray.
So we're going to peel like so. Oh, that feels so good. Wow. You probably can't see it, but it's a little dirty. Look at all that. Ugh. Usually, if you like, what I like to do is just kind of rub it in. Some people like to rinse it because it still has all that residue, but I like to just work that in, you know, especially to my problem areas. Like as you can see, I've got problem areas here and here. Usually those are where my hormonal breakouts are the most. So hope you enjoyed June's packages. If you have any questions, always reach out to us. We are always willing to answer any questions you have about the products and let us know what you think. Comment below and we will see you for next month. Bye.